In this tutorial, I am going to tell about the simple if statement in C. So, what is the use of if statement in C? Suppose your program have two conditions that suppose a double equal to 5 should do one thing. Suppose you should execute some statements, and if a double equal to 6 execute some other statements. So fine, these are the conditions. So some statement means some addition, okay, fine, some addition operation. If a double equal to 6, then multiplication operation, okay. This is what your program need to done. Now what you will do? Yes, there is a case in C that is called if. By using if, you can create the decision making. For suppose, I will show you with an example. Suppose A have some value and B have some value. So leave that values, leave that. I will show you the best syntax. If keyword should be there and some condition should be placed. The condition can be a double equal to b, or anything, or value can be placed rather than 0. If 0, it is false. If 1, it is true. Fine. The condition should be placed here, okay. Then open braces, close braces. It is just like opening main and closing main, and your code should be written here. This is simple if, and I will show you the execution in the program. So let me write program for you guys. Write program for starting, and it will be practice for you. Hash include std io io.h void main, then take two integer variables, a is equal to 5 comma b is equal to 10. Fine. Then here the operators should be relational operator. Anything operators are basically relational operators. If a double equal to b, we need to open the two brackets. See the two brackets here. Don't forget this. The two brackets like main. Okay, like main. Two brackets should be there. Fine. Then some statements like suppose. Let me add both things, right? No. It should be simple because you can't understand. Suppose it is inside of printf. Let me add something. If loop, it's not loop. It's inside of if it's fine. And let me write another statement, printf outside of if, fine. Then let me write another statement here. This is for your understanding. It is before if, fine. This is what should be done, okay. Now let me execute the thing, then you will be understanding. If you not understand, I will debug it. You will be definitely understanding. See, it is before it is outside, it is before if, and it is outside if. What happened here? I will show you clearly. So let me take watches first. I will take step into. Yeah, first it came here. Now I will take watches. You will be understanding more. Fine, I got watches here. So see here in next line I am going to get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7. So a is not equal to b. 5 double equal to 10 is false. So it is the relational operator a double equal to b will return 0. So here the condition is false. If the condition is false, the statements inside the braces will not be executed. They are just skipped. So see, it is false since it will be skipped. We will execute. the current line is here. See how the execution will be. See the output, there is no output. The output will be this before if. So this printf statement is executed. So it is at if it is checking whether a double equal to b or not. Fine, it is not correct. A is not equal to b. So it gave the 0 response. So the if skipped all these things and came outside the loop. See, this is the ending of the if statement. So it came here. This is very important. Please remember. See, nothing is there in output. So a is not equal to b. So these all statements are skipped. Now the final statement, the printf. So it is also executed. Now outside of if is printed. Fine. That's all. And now I will change a to 10. Now the both things are equal. See what happens now. The execution started and the windows should be chosen. Debugging windows, watches, and watches should be kept here. So fine. Then there is nothing on output. Please see it. Then a is 10, b is 10, both are true. It is before it, so it is executed. So the output is like that. Now a double equal to b, it is checking whether these both are equal or not. A double equal to b, 10 is equal to 10, so it is true. So the next statement will be this statement. Okay, fine. Yeah, the next statement is this. See, previously it is skipped all the statements and went to this last statement. Now it is going to the first statement. See, the output is same thing, not changed. Then output changes now. See, it is inside of C, so it is executing these statements, and it is inside of if, so it is executed that also, and it is coming out, and again it will execute these things. See, the outside of if. So I think you understood clearly and I have explained clearly. So this is the execution of if statement. If you have more doubt on it, please comment me and I will give more videos on it. So in next video, in next tutorial, I am going to show you the if and else statement along with that. Until then, please keep practicing.